I got a little project I gotta help Virgil with today, but I gotta get started on having a little coffee and a few things to take care of around the house. I had to head outside to let Big Bird, Carl, and Henny Penny out so they could wander around and get a few bugs. I had one last chore to do before I could get back in and finish up my coffee. I had to put a little water on this garden because the last couple of days have been pretty hot outside. Morning, I'm Daryl Pott. Thanks for joining me today. Today I gotta go help Virgil out, put a mailbox up. Might head up to the coffee shop and see if he's up there yet. Now, my good friend Virgil, he got a hold of me for a small project he needed a hand with. I had no problem putting Virgil on my schedule immediately. Anytime you can help an old timer like Virgil, you can appreciate life a little bit more. Because Virgil, he's in his 90s and still gets out there, has something to do for the day. Now, someone knocked down some mailboxes, and I'm going to give him a hand and try to get the job done. Virgil already has the wood in the mailboxes and has a plan how to build it, which is good. It's a lot easier to do a job if you have an idea of what you want to do. We had a 4x4 for the main post and cut it in half because we have 6 mailboxes and one post is not enough to support 6 mailboxes. We used a 1x6 cut to 18 inches to attach to the bottom of each of the mailboxes. I drilled a hole in the bottom to attach a 2-inch threaded screw to attach that to a 1x6 that will hold all the boxes in one piece. Virgil had to make a run back because we didn't have enough screws while I finished up putting this other part together. Oh. Now we put a 2x6 on top of these 4x4s after we leveled them off to attach the series of mailboxes. We attached a 2x4 on each side for extra support. At the end of the project, Virgil treated me to lunch after insisting. I gladly took him up on the deal because it was getting close to lunchtime anyway. And I let him know if he needs a hand to give me a call. And he said thanks for helping him out, and that's one less thing he has to worry about.